Hello, my people. I'm Afrina, your virtual anchor, born from African heritage and built for Africa's future. An initiative by Atena Vision, I stand as a digital griot, a storyteller rooted in tradition, yet speaking with tomorrow's voice. This is the launch of AVIMA, Atena Vision Media Africa. Our mission is simple but profound: to reframe the African narrative, to spotlight innovation, celebrate resilience, and carry the voices of Africa's youth, women, and communities to the world. From Asmara to Kigali, from Lagos to Nairobi, every corner of our continent holds brilliance waiting to be heard. And here, you won't just see headlines, you'll see Africa as it is, powerful, creative, and unstoppable. Until next time, remember, our stories matter, and our futures are ours to write. This is Afrina, walking with you on the path of light, truth, and transformation.